The vintage shop has its super transfer pump with a new pre-filter, which has a lot of new functionalities. Among those, it's got a new 90-degree elbow, which is gonna make it a lot easier to install and deinstall. To put the elbow in and out, you just gotta, that's to adjust it, that's to let it loose. The way it works is pretty much you push it in, make sure it's all the way in, and then you lock it in place. This is gonna let you also move the pre-filter around. It'll make it a lot easier to get rid of any bubbles or anything that you get in your way. Also, to attach this or to install it to the pump, same way we used to do it before, you push it all the way in and move the lever up so it's there attached. Once again, if you have a little bit of bubbles or anything, make sure these clamps are properly tight. Make sure the lid is properly closed. This is all the way up and this is properly in place. One of the new things about this pre-filter is there is no need for a clamp to get the lid open and clean your pre-filter. As you see, the lid opens up very easy and the mesh comes out also very easy. It's the same type of mesh. It will work the same way. To install it, just make sure you put it right over that small plastic step. You see there's like a small plastic step right there. That's where it sits, and that's where it's gonna make the top of the lid close and seal properly.